Hi everyone, welcome to Physics Plaster. Today we are going to see about pulsar. What is a pulsar? A pulsar is a neutron star that emits beam of radiation that sweeps through Earth's line of sight. Like a black hole, it is an endpoint of stellar evolution. The pulses of high energy radiation we see from a pulsar are due to the misalignment of the neutron star's rotation axis and its magnetic axis. Pulsars seem to pulse from our perspective because the rotation of the neutron stars causes the beam of radiation generated within the magnetic field to sweep in and out of our line of sight with a regular period, somewhat like the beam of light from a lighthouse. The stream of light is in reality continuous, but to a distant observer it seems to blink on and off at a regular interval. Formation of pulsar. When a neutron star is formed, a lot of giant core of pre-existing star is compressed back into a hot, dense ball. Conservation of angular momentum plays a key role in the formation of a pulsar and is crucial to the understand pulsar. Angular momentum is the momentum of rotation. Consider a skater spinning on the ice with their arms out. If the skater is spinning continuously without any external force disturbing her, then the angular momentum can be said to be constant. Now, if she pulls her arm into her body, her rotation speed will greatly increase. Her, since she pulled her body in closer to the axis of rotation, and because angular momentum has not increased or decreased in the process. Similarly, since angular momentum of the pre-existing massive star is conserved and the radius of the star is drastically reduced after neutron star formation, the neutron stars generally acquires a very high rotation speed, sometimes up to 100 times per second. What are the properties of the pulsar? Essentially, pulsars are the collapsed cores of massive stars. They are composed of an iron crust which covers incredibly dense neutron matter. In fact, this matter is so dense that if you brought a piece the size of the sugar cube of the Earth's surface is would have a mass of 100 million tons. Therefore, although pulsars are only about 20 kilometers across, they weigh more than our sun and are incredibly massive. Pulsars are also have a very strong magnetic field, probably with a dipole form like a bar magnet. Beams of rotation are formed at the magnetic poles, probably directed radially away from the star. As a pulsar rotates, these beams sweep around 360 degrees like a lighthouse. Radio telescopes receives a regular train of pulse as the beam repeatedly crosses the Earth, making the pulsar appear to the pulsating radio signal. These pulses are broadband, extending in some cases from low radio frequencies to high frequency gamma rays and are often highly polarized. Linear polarization is usually dominated, with the radiation from some pulsars being almost 100% polarized. In other pulsars, circular polarization may also be observed, but usually with a significantly low fractional polarization. Individual pulses vary greatly in the intensity. Some of this is intrinsic and some results from scintillation or twinkling due to the scattering in the interstellar medium. However, if several hundred pulses are added together, a very stable pulse profile is obtained. Pulsars are also known for their very precise periodicity and make expansional clocks. There are even some very old pulsars which are believed to keep time more accurately than the best atomic clocks here on Earth. These pulsars are were members of binary system in which matter's accretion from their combination has increased their rotation speed to 100 to 100 of turns per second. Timing observations of some binary systems that consist of a pulsar and another neutron star have been able to confirm Albert Einstein's prediction of gravitational radiation and have allowed sensitive testing to his theory of general relativity. Despite their precision, pulsar periods are not constants. At least in their own frame of reference, all pulsars are very gradually losing rotational energy and slowing down. This is attributed to the energy required for the acceleration of relativistic particles and the electromagnetic radiation at the rotation frequency caused by the strong magnetic field. Pulsars exhibit some very rare and extreme characteristics, making them ideal probes for a range of astrophysical studies. Just a biologist and for a new species to better understand biodiversity, astronomers and for new species of pulsar to better understand astrodiversity. That's all. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching.